If you want to add a row in a table in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to insert a new row into an existing table, whether you want it above or below the row you're working in. This is a simple but very useful skill when you're editing reports, assignments, documents, or any file that uses tables. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful LibreOffice tips. All right, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice Writer. Once the program opens, open the existing document that already contains the table you want to edit. If you're starting from a blank file, you'll need to create a table first, but in this video, we're focusing on adding a row to a table that's already there. Now, find the table inside your document and click anywhere inside it. It does not matter which cell you click in as long as your cursor is inside the table. This step is important because LibreOffice needs to know exactly which table you want to modify. After that, move your mouse up to the top menu and click Table. This menu contains all the options for working with tables in LibreOffice Writer. Once the table menu opens, click Insert. You'll then see options for adding different table elements. From there, choose either rows above or rows below, depending on where you want the new row to appear. If you want the row to be inserted above the current row, choose Rows Above. If you want it to appear underneath, choose Rows Below. LibreOffice will immediately add the new row in the position you selected. And that's it. Your new row is now part of the table. You can click into the empty cells and start typing right away. This is a great way to expand your table without having to recreate it from scratch. If you need to add more than one row, you can repeat the same process as many times as you want. Just click inside the row near where you want the change, go back to Table, choose Insert, and then select Rows Above or Rows Below again. It's fast, simple, and very easy once you know where the option is. A useful tip is to make sure you're clicked inside the correct table before using the menu. If your cursor is outside the table, the Insert option may not work the way you expect, so always double-check that you're editing the right area. Another helpful thing to know is that you can use this same method while working on school documents, business reports, invoices, checklists, and formatted tables of all kinds. LibreOffice Writer makes table editing straightforward once you get familiar with these menu options. If this tutorial saved you some time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this one. I post simple step-by-step tutorials to help you work faster and avoid confusion. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add a row in a table in LibreOffice Writer. See you in the next video.